A Nabru sofa bed is just as easy to assemble as one of our sofas. First of all, assemble the labelled frame parts as shown on the instructions. Then, insert the bed mechanism, taking care to ensure that the labels are at the front. Now, fit the bolt through the holes previously shown. First slide on the washer. Next, the spring washer. Then finally, the wing nut and tighten using an Allen key. Repeat this process for the other side of the bed. That's it. The sofa bed section is now assembled, so take the opportunity for a well-earned rest.